Hey y'all! Today we're diving into the best beans you can eat in Jamaica to live a long, healthy life. Whether they're simmering on the stovetop with a ham bone for flavor, or tossed in a salad fresh from the garden, you just can't go wrong. Here in Jamaica, beans are more than just a side dish, they're a way of life. These little nuggets of goodness are packed with flavor and nutrition, so grab your apron and let's get cooking. First up, we've got our red kidney beans. These vibrant red gems are a cornerstone of Jamaican cuisine. These beauties are a staple in Jamaican kitchens, found in almost every pantry across the island. You'll find them in everything from our famous rice and peas to hearty stews that'll warm you right up. They add a rich, earthy flavor that's simply irresistible. They're like little bundles of energy, packed with protein and fiber to keep you going all day long. Whether you're working hard or playing hard, these beans have got your back. Red kidney beans are also good for your heart. Their high fiber content helps maintain a healthy cardiovascular system. They're full of fiber, which can help lower cholesterol and keep your ticker ticking strong. Plus, they're loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. And if you're watching your blood sugar, these beans are a friend indeed. Their low glycemic index makes them a smart choice for managing diabetes. I like to soak my kidney beans overnight. This simple step can make a big difference in your cooking. It helps them cook faster and can make them easier to digest. Soaking also reduces the cooking time significantly. Once they're nice and plump, just rinse them off and they're ready to go. This ensures they're clean and free from any residual soaking water. After they've simmered for a while, I like to add a Scotch bonnet pepper to the pot for a depth of flavor that'll make your taste buds sing. The pepper adds a spicy kick that's quintessentially Jamaican. Next up, we're talking about gungo peas. These little beans pack a big punch when it comes to flavor and nutrition. Now, you might know these little guys as pigeon peas. They go by different names in different places, but their versatility remains unmatched. These peas are a staple in Jamaican cuisine, especially during the holidays. They bring a unique taste to festive meals that everyone loves. You'll find them in all sorts of dishes, from hearty soups to flavorful rice dishes. Their rich, earthy flavor enhances any recipe. Gungo peas aren't just delicious, they're good for you too. They offer a wealth of health benefits that make them a great addition to any diet. They're full of protein and essential amino acids, making them a fantastic source of plant-based nutrition. Plus, they're great for your immune system, helping you fight off those pesky colds and flus. Their nutrients support overall health and wellness. When it comes to cooking gungo peas, I like to keep it simple. Simplicity allows their natural flavors to shine through. Soak them overnight, then simmer with onions, garlic, thyme, and a touch of Scotch bonnet pepper. This method brings out their best flavors. They're delicious in stews, curries, and even salads. No matter how you prepare them, gungo peas are sure to impress. Now let's talk about black beans. Those little nutritional powerhouses. Don't let their size fool you. These beans are bursting with goodness. We're talking antioxidants galore. They're like little superheroes fighting off those pesky free radicals. Black beans are also known for their anti-inflammatory properties. And did I mention they're a fantastic source of iron? We all need our iron, especially us ladies. Plus, those black beauties are a good source of fiber, which keeps things moving along smoothly in the digestive department. When it comes to cooking black beans, the possibilities are endless. Now, let's talk about Lima beans, those often underestimated little green gems. These little green gems are often overlooked, but they deserve a spot on your plate. Not only are they versatile in various dishes, but they also pack a nutritional punch. They're chock full of fiber, which is fantastic news for your heart. Fiber is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system and can help prevent various diseases. Fiber helps lower those bad cholesterol levels, keeping your ticker ticking strong. Regular consumption of lima beans can contribute to long-term heart health. And if you're watching your weight, lima beans are your new best friend. They are low in calories but high in nutrients, making them an excellent choice for weight management. That fiber keeps you feeling full and satisfied, so you're less likely to reach for those unhealthy snacks. This can help you maintain a balanced diet and avoid overeating. Lima beans are a good source of folate, essential for cell growth and metabolism, especially for pregnant women. Folate is vital for the development of the baby's neural tube. So if you're expecting or planning to start a family, Make sure you're getting enough folate in your diet. Including lima beans in your meals can be a delicious and nutritious way to do just that. Last but not least, let's give it up for butter beans. These little guys have the most wonderfully creamy texture that just melts in your mouth. But don't let their delicate flavor fool you, they're packed with nutrients. Butter beans are a good source of several vitamins and minerals, including potassium, magnesium, and iron. Butter beans are particularly special. They're great for your bones and skin. They're a good source of calcium and phosphorus, essential for strong, healthy bones. Butter beans also contain collagen-boosting nutrients, which can help keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. So, eating foods that support collagen production can help keep those wrinkles at bay. Well, friends, there you have it. 5 of the best beans you can eat right here in Jamaica for a long, healthy, and happy life. From boosting your immune system to keeping your heart happy, these little beans are nutritional powerhouses. So next time you're in the grocery store, be sure to stock up on these Jamaican staples. Thanks for watching, y'all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.